Hello everybody, this is Dr. Cole. It's Monday, January 10th, the first day of school, and this is the week 1 video for Political Science 3143 Comparative Governments for the spring 2022 term. Everyone, as of now, we only have a couple of people enrolled. Perhaps we'll pick up a couple more over the next few days. Everyone, a set of emails went out this morning. Most all of those are also up on the course website as announcements. Please note that you can earn 5 points extra credit by submitting an introduce yourself email, so please make a note of that. Everyone, let me take just a couple of minutes to go over the course requirements and to say a little bit about the course material. Please understand the difference between comparative governments and international relations. This is not international relations. In international relations, we would study relations between countries. And when we teach that course, it is divided into international security and international political economy and relations among countries in those areas. This, however, is comparative governments, in which we look at countries of the world one at a time and compare their internal governments one to another to see how they resemble and differ from each other. So this course is not the same as international relations. Now, the course requirements are there will be a midterm and a final, 7 quizzes and 7 discussions. Each of those will count 20 points. 7 20-point quizzes, 7 20-point discussions. The first quiz is next week on the 20th. There will be a discussion this weekend, Saturday through Monday. Announcements and emails have gone out to that effect, laying out those assignments for the first quiz and the first discussion. Okay. So the set of quizzes and the set of discussions will be a 100-point grade equivalent to an exam. The best 5 out of 7 quizzes and the best 5 out of 7 discussions. You may earn a 25-point attendance bonus if you take part in all 7 of the discussions. In addition, a country report is available. That's our term paper, a country report. We report on a particular country. You must submit a country report to be eligible for an A in the course, to be on the A track, as the syllabus mentions. We will cover 11 countries over the course of the term. You may do any other country for your country report. Also, you may not do Brazil. Brazil is in the textbook. We're going to replace Brazil on the syllabus with Canada. So there'll be no textbook assignment on Canada. That makes for a total of 12 countries you cannot do for the country report. You may do any other country. And I've sent out an announcement describing some of the countries you might consider doing for your country report. Okay, so everyone must take the final. Besides that, there are 4 other grades, 400-point grades. Midterm, your country report, a set of quizzes, a set of discussions. The lowest of those will be dropped, so your grade will be figured on 400 points. Now, to say a few words about the course material, the first 1/4 of the course, roughly, will be devoted to comparative government in general. Lecture 1, the class notes for Lecture 1 for the first week, talk about the field in general. And we will also discuss constitutions in general, how they differ around the world, political parties, executives, legislatures, how all those institutions vary all around the world. Then after that, we will do 1 country at a time for 11 weeks. Okay, after we get through that introductory material, we will do Great Britain, Canada, and Germany, and then we'll stop and take the midterm exam. Now, the way the course works, we begin with the countries most like the United States and move to ones that are different from the United States. Roughly, that's how those 11 countries are ordered. This type of course has been criticized in the past for being too Eurocentric. That is, concentrating on the North Atlantic area, North America and Western Europe. And we need to do that to some extent, because those countries are very much like us, although they differ in some respects. So it's helpful to us to look at countries that are similar to us, but still differ in some respects. Then we will look, after midterm, at France and Japan 2 other liberal democracies, although Japan is in a different region of the world. Then we begin to look at 6 more countries that are all different from the United States, more so than those other 5 countries. We look at Mexico, Nigeria, India, Russia, China, and Iran. I'm not sure about the exact order, but those are the 11 countries we will cover. Those 11 countries are covered in the textbook. We will replace Brazil with Canada. That makes for 12 countries you may not do for your country report. You may do any other country. And an announcement about that has been sent out. So, a midterm, a final, a set of discussions, a set of quizzes, and a country report, plus an attendance bonus. Okay. In case of any problems, questions, issues, difficulties, please contact me through the course website or at david.cole@opsu.edu. We're going to try to get one of these videos out every week. They generally go out on Sunday or Monday. So we'll try to use that to communicate with you over the course of the term. Please contact me in case of any questions, issues, difficulties, or problems. Okay. And I hope you have a successful term. Good luck. Take it easy. And we'll be talking to you once again about a week from now at this time. Thanks a lot.